Sushant Singh Rajput's father today said you murdered his son. Your reaction to that?
I mean, it's extremely hurtful that someone who's going through a loss this big, as am I, does not understand what this could be doing to me. I loved his son. And it's just beyond me to understand that is there no humanity? I looked after his son. At least have the humanity. If you don't like me as his girlfriend, at least have the humanity that now that he's passed, respect his love for me, if not mine for him.
Mm-hmm. You know, Ria, in a sense, you can put down Sushant's family, their characters to their grief. But what's actually now become the huge issue is the fact that today a senior BJP leader said that the anti-terror agency, the NIA, should investigate your role in this case. As I said, we've already got the CBI, the ED, the Narcotics Bureau investigating your role in this case. It's almost, I mean, I think there were similar cases when they were fugitives, or as Swara Bhaskar said today, Kasab wouldn't have been treated like this. What would you say today, you're 28, when you are being investigated by 3 central agencies? What's your reaction to that?
It's really difficult. Me and my entire family are going through scrutiny every day. Today there was a mob at my doorstep. My father was harassed, he was touched, he was hit. My watchman was beaten up in my building, inside the premises. They are not just harassing me, but the entire people living in the society. Tomorrow they might ask us to leave. What are you doing to this family? I would like to ask everybody this question. What are you doing to this family? We are being grilled. We are being part of every investigation. We are doing all our duties as law-abiding citizens. But why can't you wait for the result to come? And if you don't have faith in the legal system, you should leave India. Because I do.
Really?
And my family does. And that's why we're still alive, or we would have committed suicide too. With the kind of allegations and the accusations, treating me worse than a terrorist. My father served the nation for 25 years as an army officer. And you are treating this family like we are terrorists, when all we did was love a boy.
Ria, already you've seen the reactions to your interviews have come that your interviews are PR interviews, they're soft interviews. The fact is this interview is going live right now. We're not editing anything. But the allegation being that you're using this for public sympathy. Why have you decided to speak out today? Do you think you're going to be arrested tomorrow?
No, I don't think I'm going to be arrested tomorrow because I have not done anything worthy of being arrested. But I feel the need to speak because my mother is now on the verge of a mental breakdown completely. She might have to be moved to the hospital. My family is breaking. My father is being pushed around and almost physically and mentally lynched at. I have to do this for them. What about my family? What about what we are going through? And I didn't speak for so many days out of respect for Sushant. And what was being said was so absurd that it irked me, it hurt me, that they are destroying his memory. They're destroying him. Have respect for the person who's gone at least. At least fact check.
You said
what is up with journalists in this country? It's dead.
You said just now, Ria, that your family and you often consider or think that maybe you should just commit suicide. Now, that's a very strong thing to make. It's something which shouldn't be said lightly. Why are you saying something like that? Is it something to gain sympathy? What are you going through right now?
I'm just broken, and I'm trying to find strength every day for me and my family. The only reason we're still alive is because I'm speaking the truth. The kind of mental, emotional, physical pressures on us are unbearable. Any other person going through such a situation or any other family might consider the same. It's unfair, it's unjust, it's without proof. And the whole nation seems to have decided what they have decided. Based on what? Based on a few false allegations, based on a few reports saying absurd things.